They've ratcheted it up to a whole new level. We thought it was too much cowbell before. They gave it 10 times the cowbell. As soon as the Democrats obtained dual control of the houses of Congress and the White House at the same time, they said yes to everything Joe Biden asked for.
Cowbell?
We brought in record-breaking revenue to the federal government last year. Over $4 trillion, more revenue than we've ever brought in the past. More revenue than just a few years ago the federal government spent in a whole year. And I'm talking Social Security to defense and everything in between. The problem is, while we brought in...
I think you said
$4
cowbell.
trillion, we spent nearly $7 trillion. This happened because Joe Biden had a dual backstop in Congress. What we need, now more than ever, is a Republican-controlled Senate. If you want that, and to bring inflation under control...
That's an interesting position.
Mr. McMullen.
To get up here and say we don't need more cowbell.
Where was Senator Lee when President Trump was spending recklessly during an expansionary period? Senator Lee will say that he was voting no. But I'll tell you what, it didn't work. We still added to the debt during that time. We're adding more now, and on and on and on. The job of a senator, especially representing our state, has to be to stand up to leaders of both parties, to Joe Biden and to Donald Trump. That's what's required, Senator Lee, because both parties are spending recklessly. And you vote no. And let me say, Senator, I think it's right that a senator should be willing to stand even alone and vote no. And you're very good at that. But you know what? It can't be the only thing you do. That's not the job of the senator. The job of a senator...
It does seem that Mike Lee's official position is less cowbell. The Republican Party's official position is less cowbell. That alone disqualifies.
I got a fever, and the only prescription is more cowbell.